Yes, friends, we are in our second lesson. In this lesson, I will show you how to draw using the line command. Now look, friends, we will see these as very enjoyable and entertaining. It's very simple, friends. In SketchUp, once you grasp the basic concept, there's actually nothing you can't draw. Now look, normally there's an important detail about the axis. Look, I have blue, green, and red lines on the axis. What does this mean? The axes are already quite clear, friends. Look, if I draw it this way, I will be drawing on the green axis. This side will be red. If I draw it upwards, I will be drawing on the blue axis. So guys, I would be drawing on the z-axis and vertical axis. Now, when I normally come to the model info section and select centimeters from the unit section, I can now make my selections in centimeters. When I look at the bottom right corner, my unit of measurement will be displayed there. So I took the line with the line command. I clicked on any point. And as I continue, look friends, it shows me the length in the bottom right corner. What happened to the length? It says on the green axis. So it says you are drawing on the green axis. If I press the shift key on the keyboard, I will lock this on the green axis, friends. Look what happened. I've locked this in place. And here, if you locked it to the green axis using the keyboard, if you type 400 on the keyboard and press enter, look, I will have drawn a line that is 400 centimeters long. My goal is to create a surface. How do you create a surface? I created a surface, friends. Look, I drew on the red axis. I came to any point and connected a point. What happened? Look, a surface has formed. This is the basic principle of three-dimensional programs. You need to create a surface. Once we create a surface, we can use SketchUp or other. We are already solving 50% of the modeling programs. It means resolution time, friends. Why is that? The moment I create the surface, it means I'm already getting this done easily. It means I'm creating a mass, friends. It's very easy and it's an aesthetic program, friends. The aesthetic form is this. Normally, when you draw from a section you want in SketchUp, you can cut and trim it, friends. Look, I drew the triangle in an instant and cut it. The only thing you need to learn here, friends, is that for a surface to form, 3 points need to meet. If 3 points meet, it means I can now lift it as a surface. What does it mean to lift it as a surface? I'm giving this a volume, a height, and now I'm adding a dimension to it, friends. Because 3 points create a surface for me. Now, I've created the surface. While drawing, look, I'm using the line command to make my drawings. Look, normally I can also draw along the blue axis, which is upward. I can draw wherever I want, in the parts I want. When I draw upward, look, I made a drawing. At the same time, look, I'm doing something like this. I'm rotating by pressing the middle button of the mouse. Why? There could be an axis shift. It could be an optical illusion. To see the optical illusion, see optical illusion. Sometimes when you draw this, draw forward. When you think about the axis, actually you go upwards, then you look at the axis. Oh, I drew upwards, you correct it again. Look, you draw sideways, and when you come down, you correct the drawing. Again, look, I came here. I came like this. Look, it captures the point. So if you write this, when it comes, it automatically captures the other point. I drew. And what happened to this drawing? I closed it. Look, friends, I took the bastard and gave it a volume. Now we have a critical point here. Friends, the height of the lady here. It has been set for us to scale. So normally, as a standard, anyone would try to delete the model here. But if you don't delete it, the model you've drawn here will be proportional to this lady's height. You can do it. Where are you measuring this lady's height from? Look, I have the measurement section on the left. Look, I have a measuring tool. I took the measuring tool, friends. I held it. I drew up from here. Look, her height is 1.75. You are 1.75. Afinco 1.76. When you draw according to the model, for instance, when you're drawing a kitchen cabinet and you make a countertop that is 75-80 centimeters high, you can determine the wider part of this countertop at hip height, waist height, or even lower. That's why the model here isn't just placed here randomly, friends. There's an important part. This model has been placed here for a specific purpose. In this drawing, in this lesson, we saw the basic logic of the drawing's works. The logic of creating surfaces, friends. Because whether you bring a circuit project or draw other projects, creating surfaces is the main logic.